I received this as a Christmas present, and I figured how fun it would be to reveal the unboxing. With a nice installation CD. The way I'm going to remove the printer from the box is the way Epson recommends. The bag handle lift. Easy breezy. This is the back of the printer. And the blue tabs you see all over the printer you will have to remove, but to save you a little time, unlike myself, they have fold back tabs so they're easy to remove. Just be careful with the removing of them. I have a power cord here. This is the back. Let me turn it to the front. This is the front. So it comes with a power cord, a CD, installation CD rather, and ink. Now we're going to put the power cord in the back of the printer and plug it into an outlet and turn the printer around. Power the printer on. Here it's simply asking me simple things like language, time, date, year, month, format. And you would just enter what you prefer, but it will walk you through step by step. After I've done that, immediately the printer tells me to load my ink. It even tells me how to open the lid to do it. And they have labels. The arrow is the direction in which Epson recommends you remove the ink label. I probably will follow it. There are 3 slits on the bottom of each cartridge to secure it in. Super easy. Now the printer is asking me to load paper. This printer has 2 trays. Now these blue tabs, you pinch the side together to adjust the paper size. And these are in both trays. See, they're in the top as well. And this is almost the end of the printer. It moves really fast because this printer, as soon as I tell it what kind of paper I've entered in both of the trays, it's on to the next step. Size paper. I have to apologize for the computer. I really did not plan on making an installation, but it was so easy. I've put the installation CD in. I'm going to allow it to run. I'm only setting up the wireless printing for myself. I'm not doing the fax, but just the wireless printer. Accept. You gotta accept their terms. I'm not gonna take the additional links that come from Epson. I have enough spam now. Allow. Look at this. Now, your printer comes with its own network. So the way I'm going to connect this wireless is a little different from another printer. And Epson has done everything because it will actually prompt you step by step exactly what you need to do. I have a hang up here. Okay, come on. There we go. Boom. We're going to click here. Like I said, I'm only setting up the wireless part for this myself. Yes. This will reveal your Wi-Fi, which I'm on. I'm not going to push that because that's my personal. Now, this is where you go back to your printer. On the front of your printer, hit the Wi-Fi Direct, and it will give you your printer's name as well as their password to log into your computer. Back out, back to the computer. We're going to go next. Now I'm going to go over here and confirm my wireless setting. Open my wireless. This is my husband's computer. Open my wireless, find my printer name. We're going to enter that password. Yes. Next, because we're connected. Next. Printer set up, wireless. Searching for my printer. Found my printer. Next. Now we're going to install. From this point on, you have a couple of more steps and you're out of it. It's going to do a little searching. There's my printer. I'm going to add it to my network on my computer. It's going to Wi-Fi. When this finishes, I'm going to do a test page, and I thought I would be able to catch my test page, but it printed so fast, and it was only for a video, so I didn't want to keep wasting the ink. But here's my test page. It was so quick that I didn't even have a chance. But yeah, congratulations. Now you're going to go back to your computer and you're going to finish the install. Please finish the install and the product registration. If you like this video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Oh, I did not do the fax. Like I said, I was only doing wireless.